Welcome to part 4 of our Bootstrap series for ASP .NET Web Forms. In this video, we will see how to use Bootstrap classes to style text boxes, buttons, labels, and more to give your web forms a clean, professional look. Why use Bootstrap styling in web forms? Because it gives your controls a consistent, modern appearance. It is mobile friendly by default and it is easy to apply with just a few CSS classes, even on ASP.NET Server controls. Let us start with the text boxes. Apply the form control class to get a styled full width input. This works both on HTML input and ASP text box. Use the form label class on your labels. This adds proper spacing and alignment for modern looking forms. For buttons, apply the BTN class along with a color class like button primary, button danger, or button success. Bootstrap buttons are clean, clickable, and mobile optimized. You can choose from a variety of button styles. Just change the class button primary for blue, button success for green, button danger for red, and more. Here is the simple form using Bootstrap classes. We add spacing using the MB3 class for margins. Labels and text boxes are styled with the form label and form control, and the button with button primary. Want a horizontal layout? Use a Bootstrap row with 2 columns, one for the label, one for the input. This layout looks clean on desktops and still works well on mobile. To style validation messages, simply add Bootstrap's text danger class for red text. You can also use form text to align messages below inputs. For checkboxes and radio buttons, use form check input and form check label. This gives a clean, aligned look that's touch friendly too. For drop downs, use the form select class. This gives you a modern, styled drop down with consistent spacing and full width. Wrap your form inside a Bootstrap card to create well-structured sections. It is ideal for grouping elements like personal info, settings, etc. Here is a real example of a login form. We use a card, margin, and padding classes and full width buttons to create a polished user interface. In summary, Bootstrap makes styling ASP.NET web forms easy and elegant. Use classes like form control, button, and form label to improve your UI quickly without writing custom CSS. In the next video, we will cover responsive navigation using Bootstrap's navbar. You will learn how to create mobile menus and integrate them with master pages in web forms. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, comment your questions below, and subscribe to ASP NET SQL Academy.